Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and very good morning to all of you. I hope you're safe and sound. Welcome to Melly's Telegram classes.
And our today's grammar is about have and has. گرامر امروز ما درباره have و has هست به معنای داشتن. Have and has are used to show ownership. have و has برای نشان دادن مالکیت استفاده میشه. Have is used with I, we, you, they and plural nouns. Have با ضمایر مانند I یعنی من، we ما، you شما یا تو، they آنها and plural nouns و اسامی جمع استفاده میشن. For example, I have 3 brothers. من 3 تا برادر دارم. We have a nice house. You have 3 books. They have a new car. Ali and Usman have a computer. See, Ali and Usman. There are 2 people. Has. Has is used with he, she, it and a singular noun. Has با ضمایر مانند he او یک مذکر، she او برای مؤنث، it که برای اشیاء استفاده میشه and singular noun و یک اسم مفرد استفاده میشه. For example, he has a dog. او یک سگ داره. اینجا منظور ما از او یعنی آن مرد یا بچه یک شخص مذکر. She has a mobile. It has 4 legs. Muhammad has a watch. This brings us to the end of our today's session. ولی دانش آموزان عزیز باید داشته باشید که یک تمرین ضمیمه ویدیو شده که بعد از تماشای ویدیو باید انجامش دهید. Thank you and goodbye.